Good evening everyone, this is Abid Khan and you are watching Karachians Academy YouTube channel. So today we are starting A-Levels Accounting, paper 9706, paper 2 version 2, and we will see attempt May-June 2022. Okay, so let's move on to question number 1. What is question number 1? Okay, so financial accounting, section A, financial accounting, and question number 1, MN Drama Club. Okay, this is a drama club, MN, was formed in 2017 with the objective of promoting modern performances. Okay, right. The treasurer of the club resigned. Treasurer has resigned on 31st of December 2021. The chairman prepared a draft income and expenditure account. Okay, this is one important point. Chairman, who, if he is a non-finance person and he is doing the work of an accountant, so ultimately he might be making some conceptual mistakes. So we should expect some same mistakes here. The chairman prepared a draft income and expenditure account which was based on the receipts and payments account. Okay, so this is draft income and expenditure account, right? Okay, so this is a draft income and expenditure account. Subscription 40,000, right? Tuition fee 8,000, and tickets income from performances and donation. So Mr. Chairman has taken all the things into as a income, but conceptually this is wrong. We will see how much the subscription received, how much is income, and tuition fee how much is income. So donations, do we need to treat donation as an income? But Mr. Chairman has, because he is a non-finance person, so he took also, there are a lot of mistakes, right? So especially we can see donation, total amount of the donation taken taken to the income side is something not, and we will also see all of them. So we must expect some mistakes, right? The expenses for performances, okay, this is fine. Office equipment first payment, he is making, try to understand one thing, he is making an income and expenditure account which is an equivalent of profit and loss account of a commercial organization, and the office furniture which he has bought, and first payment he has taken this into income and expenditure. This is wrong, and this is a balance sheet item. So we will be witnessing a lot of mistakes here. Okay, administrative expenses, fine, this could be, but again we will see if there is any adjustment required. Heating and lighting 13,200, yes, this is we will look into. Building extension, again this is a balance sheet item, and Mr. Chairman has taken this to the wrong side in a P&L account or in income and expenditure. Building maintenance, yeah, this could be an expense. So this whole profit basically is we cannot rely on this, because the accounting concepts are not truly applied here. So move on. The income expenditure, acha, and then what we will see, the draft income and expenditure account had been presented to the members of a club. Okay, he is a club, but he is an accountant. So ultimately accountant will look into all financial the mistakes, conceptual finance mistakes. Further information was available. There is a great demand for, okay, we will look into this. Let's see what is required here. This is a quite comprehensive and very exhaustive question. Okay, and state 2 reasons why a club needs to have a clear objective. So this we can refer to the marking scheme, and when we can look into this. explain how the tuition fee, exactly the tuition fee 8,000 above, he's saying what will be the accounting treatment be treated in revised financial statement, because he has taken whole this tuition fee into the income and expenditure, but we have to look into this. So okay, support your answer with reference to the relevant accounting concept. Okay, and what if you will be means you have to support your answer with accounting concepts. Prepare revised income and expenditure account. So see, so hopefully we will be doing this A and B in this short video, but we will completely be going through. So number one, if I come to see, this is very much clear why reason a club needs to have a clear objective. So because if a club would have a clear objective, that will help that club to make its vision statement and mission statement and its strategies and policies and plans accordingly. If there is no objective, then this will be quite difficult. So let's see what the marking scheme is saying. Helps the club to ensure that it has appropriate plans and strategies. As I told you, that if it has a proper objective, then it will translate those objectives into the vision statement and mission statement and the strategies, and then the strategies will be converted to the plan, and then strategic goals and all these things. Provides clarity to the potential members as to the purpose of the club, and this is also one reason, because if the club objective is not clear, the members, potential members who are the prospective members who want to become members of the club, they would not be interested. So a clear-cut objective will help attract more potential. Objective, a proper plans, strategies, mission statement, vision statement, mission statement, all these things, this will help. So A is quite clear, so it was very much clear to you. So B, let's move on to B. What B question in B? So what they are saying, explain how the tuition fee of 8,000 should be treated in the revised financial statements of M&N Drama Club. Okay, support your answers. So we have to see the treatment of 8,000, which is a tuition fee. And now let's read this question. So this is one, and we have to make the revised income and expenditure account, because the chairman has a lot of conceptual mistakes. So draft profit which is shown here is absolutely wrong, right? So two items I already have explained you. This is the balance sheet item, this is a balance sheet item, and he has taken this as an expense, and being a non-finance person. So let's first consider what is this, right? So first we will this is okay. Okay, draft income and expenditure account has been presented to the members, and who is an accountant. Okay, for further information was available, there is a great demand for, okay, further information they are giving you about this club. There is a great demand for after school tutorial classes. Okay, it is a new tuition classes like in Pakistan and India. So after school tutorial classes in the local community. Okay, right. In October 2021, always mark the important point, the club started running. Okay, in October 2021 it has started, okay, running after school tutorial classes. Okay, so they have started from October 1st. Okay, the club targeted the classes at children from poor families. Club okay, this much, a maximum of 20 children could be joined. Only 20 children in that class can join these classes. children were required to join as a student members of the club and pay the following fee in advance. Okay. Number one, very carefully read the question. The question itself will give you a guide and a way to the a good solution. So very carefully, children were required to join as a student member. You got this point, because for this every club, if you want to join to entertain the facilities or the of that club, you have to join that as a member. So student, they are children, they are kids, but they have to become a member of, like the other members, right? So student also have to become member of this, but they will be called student members, and they will be paying the following fee in advance. These fee, what fee? Number one, membership fee. Like other members, they will have to pay membership fee. Okay, so 100. So it means if we see these all our workings, you can separately work them out. So how much would be? This is working number one. So 20 are students and 100. So this will be 2000 will be membership fee. Membership fee will be 2000, which is 1/3. This is one important point, which is 1/3 of an ordinary member's subscription. So means the member subscription is how much? The member subscription is means 100 into 3, 300. So this is per member membership, per student membership is 100. So this is our working one. So I am writing it here, but you have to note down on your proper place. This is very much clear. So every student has to become a member. So it has to. So this is a membership fee. So it is very much clear that this is something of a subscription, a membership subscription. A tuition fee of 400, and he has to pay 2 fee, advance fee. Number one this, and number 2 this, right? 400 covering the period from October to 21st May. So see, student, okay, so this will cover up October to May, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. 8 months, means 8 months. Okay, so this 400 is fee for 8 months, right? And how? Okay, so this 8,000 he has student, they have got this tuition fee 8,000 we have completely got from student. Total they have got this 8,000 tuition fee. So 400, you see, so 400, and then per student fee, how, if I see how much is the fee total, 20 students, everyone has to pay, then this will be your note number 2. 200, and this will be 8,000. 8,000 is complete fee, tuition fee. But we have to see this 8,000 is for 8 months, and how much we are standing. They have started these classes in October, right? And their year ends on 31st December. So we can see how many October, November and December, 3 months. So for 3 months of the fee, because 8,000 they have got, 8,000 divided by 3, and then so let me open up the calculator. 8,000 by 8 into 3, then 3,000. So this 3,000 is from October to December. So this is your expense, number 1 point. Number 2 point, and if 3,000 is your expenditure, right, then 5,000, the balance 5,000 is prepaid or advance tuition fee, 5,000. So this is your liability, right? So what he has asked you to, because this 8,000 you have to change it into the because the question was in B, what he was asked. A we have done. So if we go to B, explain how the tuition fee 8,000 should be treated in the revised financial statement. So how? So this will be treated as 3,000 will be treated as tuition fee income, okay, and the 5,000 will be treated as advanced tuition, and it is your liability, and this will appear as a liability, your current liability. So this will be your current liability because for advanced 5 months money you have got, right? So this will be your current liability. So this will appear in the income and expenditure account, and this will appear, 5,000 will appear. So this was the question number 2. So prepare the revised income and expenditure. So we have done A and B. We have done A and B. So now we have to do question number question is part C. We have to do part C. Prepare a revised income and expenditure account for. Okay, so preparing the income and expenditure account, we are getting some information. We got the tuition fee income, right? So now we will move on and we'll make our working notes, all the working notes here. So, and I think this question we will not be able to solve within this short video. So, but we will do all our workings here. In the next video, I'll shortly today I'll release the next video. There we will make our revised P&L, right? I mean income and expenditure. So then let's move on, and we have to see from very critically and have to make our, because in preparing the income and expenditure account, so you have to we have to work out all incomes, all expenses properly, right? And the information given is not. So we will be making our working notes, and 2 working notes we have made. So and we will do all of them here. This we have done. Okay, now move. We have made 2 working note, working note 1 and working note 2. Now it will be working note 3. So let's see. Subscription 40,000, tuition fee this much. So tuition fee we have already, subscription, yes, we will look into the subscription, and one by one we will look into. So we should, I think first we should look into the subscription. Subscription income is the biggest one, so we can look into that. Okay, and ticket from performances, donations. Okay, ticket from performances, this is a non-trading activity. This is a non-trading activity. So ultimately this will be club, and what profit we are making from non-trading activity we will if it is profit, we will take that profit to the income side, and if it is a loss, then we will be taking that loss as an expense to the expenditure side, right? So this is what the CIE course book tell us and guides us, right? So we will be following that strategy, right? Donation, we will be looking into the donation as well. So let's read the question properly. And administrative expenses, heating and lighting, building expenditure, building and extension, and these are okay. The draft income and expenditure, now, so we already have studied, we have gone through this, and we have made our account. Now student membership fee paid by children are included in the subscriptions. Okay, this 8 membership fee, this where is membership fee? This 2000. So what he is saying, this is already included in how much? This one, subscription. So they are saying 2000 is already included here, right? So so it is included as an income. So we will see whether this is because this is a membership fee, this is an income. So this is rightly written in the subscription, so no need to split it. Now membership fee paid by members are included in the subscription in the draft income and expenditure account. The tuition fee is refundable. This is very important point. Tuition fee is refundable on a monthly basis. Okay, if the student withdraws, the student membership fee is, while the membership fee is non-refundable. You know, if they have themselves registered as a member, student member, so the membership fee which they have paid, this will not be returned back to the student if they leave the school early in 2 or 3 months time, after 2 or 3 months without completing their 8 months. So we will not be, this will not refundable. That is why this 2000, if it is taken into subscription, so this is rightly an income, right? So this will be we will treat this as an income. So now come towards other. Okay, the tutors are volunteers and have experience in teaching. So tutors are volunteers, so there is no expenditures. The classes were popular and were fully booked. So it means it was done. Now come information relating to the ordinary member subscription at 31st December 2021 were as follows. Okay, so this is number of members paid in advance. This is 31st of December information, which is basically your 1st of 2021. This is closing, and also the opening of next year, and this is closing. So we can say this is opening and this balance are closing. So number of the members paid in advance. Last year 9 members paid in advance, and how much was the 9 members have paid in advance? Okay, so how much we worked out? 300. So then if we multiply by 300, 2700, its amount is 2700, right? So, and this year members no one has given in advance, so this was advance, so it was your liability in year 2021. This, okay, in year 2021 in January, this was opened up as a liability, so this appeared as a credit side of the subscription account, because the subscription is very important. So we will work out our subscription account first. Okay, right. Here we can make these all are workings. We can say working 3, working 2, 3, working 3, subscription account. Because you cannot prepare income and expenditure account until you get your all incomes, and subscription is the biggest income that you have, right? Okay, what he is saying, then this 2,700, this is your liability, opening liability, because you got advance and you did not give them any service. So this will 2,700 in 2021, this will appear as a balance BD, 2,700. Okay, then members of area, how much this will be? This will be, just 1 minute. Okay, 24 into 300, this is 7,200, and 300, 1,200. Number of members paid in advance, the 2,700 last year they paid, so it in the beginning of the year it was your liability, and in 2021 nobody has paid in advance for 2022, right? So there is no liability. Okay, arrears for the last year 1,200 was PPs did not pay, right? So this was your receivable, so it was, arrear means your receivable, so 1,200 is your receivable. So last year it was closing receivable, so this year this will be opening receivable balance brought down. And what is this? 7,200 2021, 24 member did not pay. Okay, they will pay in 2023. So this is your closing receivables, because you did not pay, so you have accrued it. So you will be getting it in the next. 7,200 is your closing, means debit balance at the time of closing will appear on the credit side. On 31st of December 2021, balance CD, this is 7,200. Okay, then how much you got subscription? You got subscription of 40,000, right? Means your bank got debited for 40,400 and your subscription got credited. Subscription got credited. You don't need to make any entry, but I am just making it to make your concept clear. So, right? So this will appear. So we have taken this. We have 4,400 against bank, right? So what will happen? This is your receivable on 1st of 2023. This will become your balance BD 7,200, and advance you did not receive anything in advance, right? So we can see, and 2,700 plus 40,400 plus 7,200. So this is 50,300. So this side will also be 50,300. We have debit side 1,200. So 49,100. This is 49,100. So this will be charged to your, this is your income, this which will go to your what entry. You are not supposed to make any entry, but just to make your concept clear. So what entry will be made? 49,100 will be debited, 49,100 will subscription will be debited, and income and expenditure account will get credited. So we have made this income and expenditure account. Let's move on, because we have to work some more things. Okay. So we have done with this. We have finished. Information relating to non-current assets, building and equipment cost at 31st December 2020 was 200,000. Okay, and okay. Actually, guys, we have done with A and B, right? And C, the question is longer, so video we have to make a short video. So I am leaving this here, and just after this video I'll be continuing with information 3 in the next video, because and there we will come do all information, and then we will make our income and expenditure account. So if you have any clarification, you can write your comments and we will try to quickly respond to you. Thank you very much, and bye for now.